Hello friends, today we are unboxing Oneplus Nord Ce 5G. Look first let unboxing Oneplus Nord Ce 5G. That opening side SIM ejector, Oneplus Nord stickers and case, good quality case. Opening mobile. Alright. Now we see 80 watts fast charger, 80 watts super loop charger, and the LED cable, type A to type C cable, charging cable, this is plastic bag, plastic plus Nord Ce 5G. It is built type C, USB type C, microphone, SIM card tray, IR pasta, microphone, speaker grill, volume up and down buttons, power button, SIM card tray. It came from one SIM card, one memory card, or two SIM card to use. This phone maximum weight is 184 grams. This phone is very thick and good looking mobile. Base 13 and Android 13. Android 13 from Snapdragon 782G mid-range processor. There is no bugs and the fingerprint sensor are very quick and fast. So 50 megapixel Sony IMX 890 sensor, 2 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro camera. Now with available Dolby Atmosphere. See volume. Now see voice. Now see display quality and sound quality.